How to pin apps to the taskbar on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add your favorite apps to the taskbar for quick access. First, click on the Start button to open the Start menu. From there, find the app you want to pin to the taskbar. You can scroll through the pinned apps or click on All Apps to see the full list. At this point, right-click on the app you want to pin. From there, click on Pin to Taskbar to add it to the taskbar. After that, look at the bottom of your screen and confirm the app icon is now showing on your taskbar. In the next step, if the app you want to pin is already open, right-click on its icon in the taskbar while it is running. From there, click on Pin to Taskbar to keep it there permanently, even after the app is closed. Once done, click on the pinned icon to confirm it opens the app correctly. Following this, if you want to rearrange your pinned apps, click and hold on any app icon in the taskbar and drag it left or right to reposition it. From here, release it in your preferred position and it will stay there. At this point, if you want to unpin an app, right-click on its icon in the taskbar and click on Unpin from Taskbar to remove it. Keep in mind, you can also pin apps directly from File Explorer by right-clicking on the app's exe file and selecting Show More Options, then Pin to Taskbar from the menu. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin apps to the taskbar on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.